Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 Review. How to use and setup guide. Best smart robot vacuum from Xiaomi. Looking for a robot vacuum that can handle daily cleaning with minimal effort? The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 combines strong suction, mopping, smart navigation, and automatic dust collection. But is it really worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 offers up to 10,000 phi of suction power and uses LDS, laser navigation, to map your home and plan cleaning routes. It can vacuum and mop at the same time, making it useful for regular maintenance on different floor types. One of its biggest advantages is the self-emptying dock. The dock uses a 4-liter dust bag, which can significantly reduce how often you need to empty the robot manually. The H40 also features an anti-tangle brush system designed to help manage hair, while its 5,200 mAh battery provides extended cleaning time. Xiaomi rates it for up to 180 minutes in standard conditions, although actual battery life depends on cleaning mode and your home. Setup is handled through the Xiaomi Home app. After placing the dock and connecting the robot to Wi-Fi, you can create maps, return to its dock when its battery is low, adjust suction and water flow levels. Cleaning afterward, which makes it convenient for larger homes. But there are limitations. The H40 does not automatically wash its mop pad, so you'll still need to clean the mop manually. It also has limited small object recognition, meaning you should keep cables and small items away from its cleaning path. Overall, the H40 is a good option for buyers who want strong suction, smart mapping, vacuuming, and mopping, plus automatic dust collection in one system. If you want advanced obstacle recognition or a dock that also washes and dries the mop, you may want to consider a more expensive model. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.